We're seeing less green, but thankfully no snow across the numerous FM Area Diversion project sites this month. I'm Tom Fuchs, the Metro Flood Diversion Authority's Senior Construction Manager, with your latest construction update. We will start on the north end of the comprehensive project, where ASN Constructors has completed the bulk of the excavation on the diversion outlet. This is where water will return to the Red River at a metered rate west of Georgetown, Minnesota. With most excavation complete, crews started placing bedding and riprap, as well as preparing to place a series of 22 boulder weirs, which will help control the water's flow rate. Southwest of the outlet, ASN Constructors completed roadway realignments where County Road 32 will cross the stormwater diversion channel. They've also finished the structural excavation for the new bridge abutments and piers and began driving piles to support those elements. Work will shift to pouring the abutments and piers in the near future at this site, the first of 19 road and railroad bridges included in the P3 portions of the comprehensive project to commence foundation work. Continuing south brings us to the BNSF Prosper subdivision rail line, where crews from BNSF are now installing track at the shoe-fly embankments previously constructed by ASN. Once the track and ballast are complete, trains will be shifted to the shoe-fly track, the existing mainline track will be removed, and construction will commence on a new bridge crossing the channel. Further south, at the Drain 14C inlet site, mass excavation is well underway. Structural excavation is complete, and crews are preparing to construct a baffled chute drop structure at the downstream end where flows will enter the stormwater diversion channel. Once operational, the new Drain 14C inlet will divert approximately 80% of the flow from the existing 80 square mile upstream watershed directly into the channel, contributing to drainage improvements throughout affected portions of 7 townships west of the FM Metro. Earthwork continues around the clock at multiple channel reaches. Levee construction, which must occur outside of winter conditions, is pushing across County Road 10 and making an approach to I-94 between West Fargo and Mapleton, North Dakota in channel reaches 7 and 8. In addition, multiple crews are working on the main channel excavation further downstream in reaches 4 and 7. In the past month, crews excavated about 2.7 million cubic yards of material. That's enough to fill the rotunda on the U.S. Capitol about 56 times. Moving southeast, we head over to the I-29 grade raise project, where Industrial Builders is raising a 4.2-mile stretch out of the 500-year floodplain. Northbound traffic is now shifted to the completed northbound lanes, and crews are wrapping up final signage and striping to open all 4 lanes before the snow flies. The southern embankment is also being extended across the I-29 project limits, where future portions will connect to complete the 22-mile alignment. Nearby, the Wild Rice River structure is getting some final details as well. Bridge railings are now complete, riprap is being placed on the upstream side of the structure, and crews are dewatering one bay at a time to touch up concrete and complete final painting. The last portions of the southern embankment extending east and tying into I-29 are nearly complete as well. This portion of the embankment features an integral sand tow drain system and stability berms on both sides to protect against seepage and instability where the embankment crosses the now abandoned portions of the Wild Rice River channel. Thanks for following along with all the progress being made as we work towards permanent, reliable flood protection. For more regular updates, follow the project on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube.